In the previous episode, we talked about the structure, the function of female reproductive system, and the menstrual cycle. Let us continue our lesson with fertilization and pregnancy today. During copulation, about 300 to 500 million of sperms are deposited from the penis into the vagina. Of these, only a few hundreds survive and arrive at the fallopian tube because most sperms have been destroyed by the acidic fluids secreted by the vagina. However, some sperms survive because of the neutralizing effect of the semen. The surviving sperms will swim from the vagina through the cervix into the uterus and finally towards the fallopian tube. In the fallopian tube, only a sperm will succeed in fusing with the ovum. When the head of the sperm penetrates the ovum, the tail of the sperm will drop off and is left outside the ovum. At the same time, a membrane is formed around the ovum to prevent other sperms from entering it. Fertilization takes place when the nucleus of the sperm combines with the nucleus of the ovum. After fertilization, the zygote divides itself numerous times to form 2 cells, 4 cells, 8 cells, and so on. After 6 days of repeated cell division, a ball of cell called an embryo is formed. Then, the embryo moves along the fallopian tube towards the uterus. The movement of the embryo is caused by the pushing force of the cilia along the fallopian tube. The embryo takes about 7 days to reach the uterus. After 7 days, the embryo attaches itself to the wall of the uterus. The attachment of the embryo to the lining of the uterus is called implantation. If the implantation is successful, the woman is said to be pregnant. If the implantation is unsuccessful, the embryo will be discarded from the mother's body. This condition is known as miscarriage.